Good morning, Trenton. I'm Skip Heatwave, and today's forecast? Hotter than your car's black leather seats at high noon. We're talking 94 degrees with a feels like of what even is air conditioning anymore? But don't sweat it. Well, actually you will, because the real heat's going down at Arm & Hammer Stadium for the epic Vorged event car show. From slam skylines to roaring muscle, the lot is packed with chrome, horsepower, and summer vibes. So toss on some shades, grab a drink, and roll through. This is Skip Heatwave signing off. See you in the lot.